One thing I've extracted from you in my visit today is that the piling will be hopefully completed in 2 months' time. This is March, April, May. The progress of work that I've seen today compared to when I came here last in 2024 October. And so it means that work is going on steadily. No work stoppages, and the company is living up to expectations. I'm quite impressed with the progress of work that I've witnessed today. And our policy, as you know, is to ensure that all our local government headquarters are accessible by road. The contractors, they have given me their commitment, and our commitment is also to ensure that there is no delay in funding.
It is 21 kilometers. The full stretch will take around 3 years, and as per our progress now, hopefully we'll meet up the target. This ridge will take around 6 months. 6 months will be completed. The government is not owing us anything.